Hello and welcome to the 3D Interactive Media Development Modules Coursework 1 Final Submission. One of the requirements for this final submission will be this final video. This video is conducted by us, Group 3 members, which consists of me, Naflan, and my teammates Shimeshi and Temia. No significant change has been made according to the very first work in progress video that we created. There is one major change where we've shifted from a survival horror game to a story-based horror game, where if you watch the work in progress video, you'd notice that it was a survival horror game where the user or the player has to run away and not get caught by the two anomalies. Whereas now this is a story-based horror game where there's one continuous story, smooth flow. In between these stories, there will be certain gameplay aspects as well, where if you successfully complete your mission, the story progresses, or you will have to retry the mission again. If I were to give a small sneak peek of the story, you as the character, you can choose from either male or female. You as the character on one stormy night in your bedroom, you're relaxing and sleeping, when you suddenly realize your soul and your physical body has been separated, and now you've been teleported into a random place at your house. Now this house does look like your house, but it's actually a bit twisted and it looks similar yet not so similar. Because spoiler alert, the both anomalies live in the house now. Your goal is to reunite with your physical body. From your soul to the physical body to both connect. So all you have to do is find your way to the bedroom and connect with your physical body. So far we've created the 4 character models. This is anomaly 1, the tall, weird looking giraffe creature, and the small monkey looking anomaly. This is our male character model, kind of looks like Shaggy, and our female character model. We have included certain animations as well for our anomalies and our character models. So the run animation does look a bit weird because we intended to make it that way, because these anomalies aren't human, they are a bit creepy. Unfortunately, the second anomaly, I have yet to animate this one, but I have added pivot points to make animations quite simpler, where if I move the leg, as you can see, the leg will move according to the pivot point that I've set in Unity. Our male character model, of course, does have an animation. Temia made an animation through Blender, simple walk animation. And our female character also does have an animation. The position does shift a bit. I believe there is an error when I was pulling the code, or sorry, when Shimeshi was pushing the code to our GitHub repository. There may have been slight changes in the animation or the position. These bugs will be fixed in the future. And apart from the animations, we did create a sample UI of the very first start menu. If I were to play this, the very first start menu where the user will get to select start or quit game. It doesn't show because it's not at the resolution that I set it initially. There we go. So as you can see, I have added a screen space camera to get this sort of 3D UI effect, where it looks like the buttons are fading into the perspective. You can start the game and quit the game. The buttons do not yet function yet. Need to add sort of a background lighting and a background for this start menu. We planned on making it a rainy day, sort of add clouds and certain particle effects where it's raining, and just make it overall a bit dark but highlight the anomaly. So far, this is the progress that we've made. We will keep you updated on how the progress or the game progresses. Thank you for watching.